Now, in today's video, I'm going to be discussing what I do not like about the Samsung Galaxy earbuds, which I'm currently wearing. But basically, what I do not like is what I don't like is you see how these are in my ear currently right now. Honestly, to me, they look like cotton buds. So you're just You're just walking around with a bunch of cotton buds in your ear, right? And it just looks too big. I get the design that they're going for, right? Yes, the design's cool. Yes, it's truly wireless, but they just look like big, techie cotton balls, really. And after a while, for me, I don't know if it's just because of the shape of my ears, but I'm gonna take them out right now. Because what I found out is that after about, I don't know, let's say 20 minutes to half an hour, they actually begin to hurt my ears, which is pretty annoying because like when your ears hurt, you just don't want to listen to music. You don't want to, have earbuds in your ears or anything. And I don't know if it's just me and how my ears look in particular, but like after a while, like it actually hurts. And after I take them out, it's like in a way I have a sense of relief. It's like, whew, thank God I took these earbuds out. Now, what I do like about the earbuds is that if we swap the camera around, you see how here if I open it, if I go to open right, and like it feels flimsy, it snaps quickly and all that. I just don't like that idea, but it is cool how you can just open this, grab your, what's that, left? Yeah, just grab your left earbud, just plunk it in, grab your right earbud, and just plunk that one in, and you're good to go. That's what I do like. The thing is, what they could do, right? I'm not saying for sure, but it's a possibility, definitely. As I've heard, the Apple AirPods, they're definitely more comfortable than the Galaxy Buds. That's what I've heard, right? And I know first-hand experience what the Galaxy Buds feel like, and after a while they're not very comfortable. But if they made a similar sort of product to how, I'm just gonna close the window. If they made a similar sort of product to how how Apple made their AirPods, I think it'd definitely be a more bigger hit in Samsung's department of earphones. Because I don't, I don't, I don't hate the earphones, right? I don't hate the earphones. I just feel like there could be improvements, or I just have really wacky ears. I really don't know. But however, if you got something like Beats X, which I like the design and how it sounds and how it performs and all of that. I enjoy that, but unlike the Galaxy Buds, they're not truly wireless. Yeah, they're wireless that you don't have to put a headphone jack into your phone, but they're not truly wireless. Unlike these, where you just stick them in your ears, you can charge them on the go pretty much, which is what I really, really enjoy. But I wish Beats or some other company, even Samsung themselves, made a better design choice with these in particular, because I got these with my Galaxy S10, and I just wish they were more comfortable. So that's my little rant. What I don't like about the Galaxy Buds. Now, if you personally have Galaxy Buds and if you like them, feel free to comment that below. If you don't like them, feel free to also comment that below. I'd really be interested in what the community has to say about the Galaxy Buds. And as you guys know my opinion on them so far, I find them alright, but I can't wear them for extensive amounts of times. But other than that, if you guys like this video, it would really help out if you left a like, dropped a comment. It would be really cool for you to interact with our community. And if you get subscribed, that's even better. And turn on the bell notifications so you'll be notified on your YouTube when I upload the next video. And if you guys haven't already seen, I have a unboxing of the Galaxy Buds as well as the Samsung Galaxy S10 unboxing. It should be linked above here, or it'll be in the description if you're on mobile and you can't click on the annotation on the screen. Other than that, I'm going to be out, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.